Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Leather Expert leather brush which I received from autobirodalom.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. I will use it for cleaning a leather seat. I will do some 50-50 so we can see some before and after. Let's roll. Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the Leather Expert brush. There is a bit of continuity issue in the video because the car that I recorded the product on left like weeks ago and I forgot to record the end, but anyhow, it is what it is. So that was the Leather Expert leather brush. It is, on one side, it's soft enough to be gentle, but also it's firm enough to be able to clean properly, and it's not too tough. So it's the Goldilocks. It's just fine. You can nicely clean the leather surfaces with it. So I can hands-on hard recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.